What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's review is going to be about a newer beard company. That company is called Dodge City Men's Grooming. Stay tuned.
This is the beginning of meditation.
Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Tonight's review is going to be about a newer beard company, as I stated in the beginning. This company is going to be a veteran-owned and operated small batch company. The type of products, the theme they like to go for, or shoot for, I should say, is a westerny type looking theme, which I say they got that nailed down pretty much to a T. I talked to them a little bit on Instagram, and they agreed to send a few of their products to test out and try. I've had these products for a pretty good amount of time to be able to test, probably a little bit too long. I apologize for that. I got a little bit backed up, but I'm right on schedule now. What sets this company aside from others, they use 1800s recipes. It dates back from the 1800s. And I'm gonna go ahead and read something really quick that I thought was really interesting. The way they had their webpage set up, it says authentic beard products from the 1800s. This product is a genuine reapplication of the beard products used in the West in the 1800s. We found these recipes that have stood the test of time and then enhanced them with some of today's best natural ingredients, such as jojoba oil and argan oil. The way they mix their ingredients and their recipes, basically they got the recipes from the 1800s, and I can tell you their beard balm, they don't call balm, or they don't call butter, they call it a beard salve, and it works excellent in the beard. It's smoother than butter, I want to say. It's just a really fine, silky smooth type consistency. It's just a really overall fantastic product. They sent me one of their business cards. The owners' names are Matthew McBride and John Valenzi. I hope I said that right. And on the back of their cards, it's a pretty cool, it's like a 6-shooter on a gun. It's pretty neat. They sent me a handwritten letter. It says, "Howdy, Patrick. We're excited for you to try out our products. We hope it makes you feel like a cowboy. If the South starts to melt from the heat, throw it in the fridge. Yeehaw, Matt and John." Thank you, Matt and John, for that. As I stated a minute ago, the beard salve, it's like a really, really smooth, silky consistency, and it really emulsifies quickly. And what they sent me is this box, really cool looking logo. And you open the box, and this is what it looks like. My hand's in the way. And on the beard oil, it came with this type of dropper, but I think I might have tightened it too much, and I broke the top of it. So that's not their fault, that's my fault. And like I said, they sent me a beard oil, a beard salve, and a beard wash. We'll go over the oil first. The oil is called Saloon Spice, and they call it snake oil. Really good looking labels, really crisp labels. It's a standard dropper top, clear bottle. And what's really unique about these bottles is they have what each individual ingredient does for you. And the ingredients are in this: grapeseed oil helps prevent acne, argan oil restores sheen and elasticity to hair, sweet almond oil helps prevent wrinkles, jojoba oil restores natural moisture to skin, essential oils helps both the skin and hair, fragrance oils gives you a great scent. And like I said, this is the Saloon Spice, and this is a Cuban tobacco and nutmeg. And on the bottle open, right away you get that Cuban tobacco. And the nutmeg comes in from behind and it's just a really smooth scent. It's a medium consistency. Goes really, really good in the beard. And that nutmeg is, it's like, it's real subtle. It's not strong at all, but you get a lot of the Cuban tobacco. And being, I'm a tobacco fan, I really love the smell of this, especially with the nutmeg. It gives it a nice sweet smell, and it goes really good in the beard. Like I said, it gives it a good shine, and it smells really good. This the scent profile lasts probably a good 5.5 hours. I just really like the labels. You can see how crisp they are. And that was their Saloon Spice Beard Oil. This is my favorite product they sent. It's the Beard Salve, and this is the Black Heart Bourbon. And that consists of oak, mahogany, vanilla, and herbs. And this, man, this has got such a smooth consistency. And they put it looks like a whole bunch. It's like a 4-ounce can, but there's 2 ounces of actual product in there. And as you can see, when you push down, it just instantly melts. And I really enjoyed using this product. And it's like a really creamy texture, and you can see it just emulsifies almost instantly. I really enjoyed using this product. And on the salve, you definitely get the mahogany and the vanilla and the oak and the herbs. When you warm it up throughout the day, you can get little hints of both of those. And again, on the label of their salve, they give you the ingredients and what they do, each individual one, which I think that sets them apart from other companies, because other companies, this is the first time I've seen this. It says, drinking bourbon is really cool, says Shannon. You think Shannon is really cute. Haha, me too. You reply as the town applauds. They put like little jokes on there and stuff. The shea butter moisturizes, beeswax locks in moisture, grapeseed oil prevents acne, sunflower oil aids in preventing inflammation, sweet almond oil helps prevent wrinkles, excuse me, jojoba oil restores natural moisture to skin, yin yang relieves stress, enhances libido, vitamin E, antioxidant that preserves oils, and fragrance oil gives you that great scent. And like I said, I think that's really cool. Let's see if that zooms in. I can tell you right now, I'm definitely going to be buying more of these products, because especially the salve, I really enjoyed using it. It's like a good conditioner. It feels like a good conditioner when you have it in beard. Just overall good combination between the oil and the balm. I'm sorry, oil and the salve, sorry. And finally, you have the beard wash. This one's called High Noon. And this consists of pine, cedar, and leather. And the cedar and leather I really like already. Just throw in the pine, and it's a really good scent. And when you unscrew the top, you barely get any of the pine. I don't know how much pine they used in this, but I just get the cedar and the leather. But still, that's fine with me. This takes just a very little bit. It lathers up really good. It don't pull all the natural oils off your beard or anything. And after you're done using it, it makes your beard feel real nice and smooth and silky. The ingredients in this are purified water for hydration, sodium lauryl sulfate cleansing and foaming agent, lauryl glycoside cleansing agent, and it's getting into words that I can't read, so I'm going to go ahead and hold it up to the camera so you guys can pause it and check those out. And again, it doesn't pull all the oils off your beard at all. Cleanses it really nice. It's got a good scent to it. And that was their High Noon beard wash. I really like their labels. It gives you that westerny type, as I said in the beginning of the video. I would definitely buy all of these products if I ran out again, and I would go ahead and give them a 5-star rating. The salve works excellent. If you haven't tried this company, I highly recommend you try the salve and oil combo at least. They really go good in the beard. The residual from the oil is very little. They don't make your beard feel lumpy, greasy, oily, or anything like that. Just an overall really, really good company to purchase from. Their products are great. Like I said, I'd recommend them for you to try. I'd like to say thank you, Matt and John, for sending me some of your products. I apologize it took a little bit longer than expected to get the review out, but I've had more than enough time and used more than enough. I enjoyed your products. Thank you guys for sticking around for another review. Until the next one, peace, guys.